In this video, we are going to find zeros of the different polynomials and also verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. We will be doing various questions to understand how to do differently in different kind of polynomials. And before learning, do subscribe to the channel for similar kind of more informative and learning videos. And at the end, do like the video and share it with your friends. Okay, so let's begin. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x squared plus 7x plus 12 and verify the relation between zeros and the coefficients. So first, we are going to factorize in order to find the zeros. The given polynomial is x squared plus 7x plus 12. You had already learned splitting the middle term in class 8th and 9th. So over here, we will be using the factors of 12 as 3 and 4. So it becomes x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Now, taking out common factors from the two groups gives us x outside and x plus 3 inside, 4 outside, x plus 3 inside, and that leaves us with the two factors as x plus 3 and x plus 4. Now, these are just the factors. We have to solve for x, and in order to do that, we need to equate each of the factors with 0. So x plus 3 equals 0 and x plus 4 equals 0. This gives me x equals negative 3 and x equals negative 4. That means alpha as negative 3 and beta as negative 4. If someone takes alpha as negative 4 and beta as negative 3, it doesn't matter. The order doesn't matter over here because the values eventually are same. Okay. Now, let's start with the verification. On one side, we will be dealing with zeros. And on the other side, we will be dealing with coefficients. So now, let's start with alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means we have to add negative 3 to negative 4. And this comes out to be negative 7. And on the other side, the sum of the zeros is minus b by a. According to the polynomial, that was 7. So negative 7 over 1 comes out to be negative 7, right? Last, alpha beta, we will multiply negative 3 with negative 4, and that results in 12. The coefficient is c over a. The product was c over a. So this is 12 over 1, hence just 12. We just saw that alpha plus beta, the sum of the zeros is same whether you dealt with zeros or the coefficients. And similarly for product also, it's same. Do not forget to write at the end, hence verified. Okay, let's try another one. So we have find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 6x cubed minus 3 and verify the relation between zeros and the coefficients. So now the steps remain the same. We first need to factorize 6x cubed minus 3. What I can see over here, we have, 6x squared minus 3. We have 3 as a common factor, which I will take out, leaving me with 2x squared minus 1. Okay, now we need to equate this thing with 0 in order to get the value of x. So 2x squared minus 1 equals 0 gives me x squared equals 1 by 2. And that means x equals plus minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Now what I will be doing, I will be assigning alpha as 1 by root 2 and beta as negative 1 by root 2. Okay. Let's start with zeros on one side and coefficients on the other side. Alpha plus beta is 1 by root 2 plus minus 1 by root 2. So this comes out to be 0. Now let's see about coefficients. Minus b by a. What was b over here? The polynomial is always of the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c. If we see this polynomial, we have a term for x squared, we have got a constant, but we do not have anything with respect to middle term, which is bx. Hence, b is 0 over here, a is 6, but that results only in 0. So alpha plus beta is verified. Now the next thing, alpha beta. The product of 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2, that is going to be negative half. On the other side, the product is c over a. So let's substitute the values. We get minus 3 over 6. Again, we have got the same answer as negative half. So the first polynomial, the first question that we dealt today, it was ax squared plus bx plus c in absolutely perfect standard form. The second polynomial that we dealt is 6x squared minus 3, which did not have b. And we saw that dealing with both the questions, how we have verified the zeros and the coefficients, and the answer came out to be same. So I am just writing over here, hence verified. I hope you understood everything clearly. And if you have any doubts, do comment, or you have any topic for which you want me to make a video, do reply that and I will make it as soon as possible. And before leaving, do subscribe to the channel. Happy learning!